Hello everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Mahendra. Today, this is part 4 of our Excel formula series. This is not a basic one, this is an advanced formula. In today's video, we'll learn index plus match with multiple conditions. I've created a small data set here. I've, I have a category um, column with values like components, uh, accessories, and clothing. I also have the color here, and finally, the product. Now my requirement is simple. Based on the selected category and color, I want Excel to return the correct product here, which is this. Maximize it. In components, I use data validation. So first, I've used the data validation to create the drop downs. To do that, go to the data tab and click on data validation. Choose the list and then provide the list of values and then OK. Now I can easily select the categories here from the drop down. Same you can do it using do it in for the color as well, but I have done only for this components. Now let's write the formula. I start with index equal to index. So I'll select the return array, which is the product here. Then match. So you'll notice I'm using one here. So why I'm using one? Let me explain. So category, when we use multiple conditions like this, category equals selected category, color equals selected color. Excel converts these conditions into ones and zeros. One means true, zero means false. When both conditions are true, Excel does this, right? One into one equal to one. So the row where both conditions match returns one. That's why in match, I write one, then first condition, which is category equal to components. Then I have to give the multiply, which is known as asterisk. Then I'll give the color as equal to this. Then comma 0. Then close the brackets. I'll freeze this L2 here. See, we got the result here. Now after applying the formula, if I get hash NA here, it simply means that combination does not exist. To handle that, I'll wrap the formula with if error, and I'll display it as NA like this. I can copy it, paste it here, and drag it. Now the product is coming correctly. The same logic using XLOOKUP. I'm doing it. In XLOOKUP, I'll give the one as the lookup value, then multiply both the conditions here. The first condition is category equal to this one, product, sorry, category into the second one is color to equal to this, then the return array is product, then not found na 0. Got it? See, you'll get na just because this I have to freeze it. Let me take it again. So sorry. So there is no difference in the output. You can choose the formula based on your convenience. Both index match and XLOOKUP are returning the same result. Sometimes XLOOKUP can be slow or hang with very large data sets, and in such cases, index match works really well.